Are you curious if these neodymium magnetic hooks are strong enough to hang some lights in that gazebo? I want to know too. I originally was going to do it around the outside of the whole pool area here, but ran out of lights. So we're going to do a really nice job in that gazebo. Let me show you what these look like, and then we'll set them up, make sure they work so that you know. So this is what they look like when they come out of the box. That's kind of cool, right? I'll show you one and then I'll take care of the rest on my own time. Let's see here. Super easy. You got the base where the magnet is, the hook, just thread them together. I have a special hack for you when you need to carry a whole bunch of them. Watch this. This is how you pick them up. All ready to go. Let me put these together and show you how the install goes, and we'll try it out with some really heavy lights. I thought I'd come back and show you these hooks actually work fabulous for this really heavy set of lights. I connected them all up. They've actually been up for a week or two through a whole lot of crazy storms down here in Florida. So my only answer to you is the hooks absolutely worked exactly as planned. Nice and strong, durable, working well. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.